Alright, I thought I'd take a minute and let's make sure we understand how to use our map. In class I had you do a few things to make it a little more user-friendly. You will recall, and if you haven't done this yet, you need to make sure that you do this before you take the test. I want you to make sure you have a line. You go straight through the center vertically. Then I want you to notice, I'm going to highlight these. On the left side is my given, and on my right side is my unknown. Now, I had you draw this line because I want you to always cross that line. Alright? We have not finished unless we've gone from our given to our unknown. We have to make sure and always cross that line. Alright, then a few other things that I had you do. I had you write the word start down here. And over here I want you to write finish. We always start on the left and we always finish on the right. Alright, then I had you put X through here and here, because in this class I will always give you the volume of the gas at STP. Alright, and then the rest of them were just fine. A couple of other things I guess that I said you could do. You could write the word liter here and here. And then I also said if it helps you, you can put a 1 in front of all these words that say mole, because all these is always per 1 mole. I think that's good enough. Alright, so this map helps us to solve these problems. If you remember, we just had a few minutes ago number 36. In number 36, you will recall we were given moles. That was our unknown, or that's what we started with. And we were going to end in moles. Now, to go from one box to the other, we follow the arrow. Whatever is on the arrow will tell us exactly what to do. So to go from moles to moles, we went, oops, come on. Alright, we went from here to there, and we used the ratio of coefficients. Just real quick, I'll put it right up here. We had 5 moles of O2. We wanted to solve for moles NO, oops, missed that up, of NO. Alright, we use the ratio of coefficients of moles O to moles NO, and if you remember that was a 2-to-1 ratio. Alright, so we use that ratio of coefficients to go across and to find what I wanted to go from my given to my unknown, and that was 10. Okay, every time we have one of these problems we should refer to this map. The map will tell us the steps to go from my given to my unknown. Alright, let me do some erasing here, because it's going to be different every time. Alright, I didn't need to erase the given and the unknown, but that's okay. Alright, so let's just review this real quick. Let's look at another problem and we'll hopefully be able to get through it fairly quickly. Let's look at number 38. Let's see if I can copy this. Not looking good. Alright, it won't let me copy. I'll go ahead and stop this, and I'll make 2 separate things and we can walk through how 38 can be solved using this.